Welcome back to Dream Cars, where we dive into the rides that make your heart race, and today, we're cruising into the world of practicality, the 2026 Chrysler Voyager. Picture a full-size minivan that starts just under $40,000, a rarity in today's market, yet still delivers real value without skimping on comfort or tech. Slide into the driver's seat and you'll find leatherette on the buckets up front, equipped with heating and an 8-way power position driver's chair. The steering wheel is heated too, ensuring cozy hands during those early morning school runs. Chrysler throws in tri-zone climate control and a super console, extra organizers and USB ports perfect for families who live out of their cars. Upgrades trickle through the cabin. A 10.1-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen anchors the center, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Amazon Alexa, a 6-speaker stereo, and even a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, all standard. That's right. No option packages needed, you get modern connectivity without paying extra. Now imagine 7 seats, each row accessible via power sliding doors. But the real star is Chrysler's legendary Stow and Go system. Both the second and third rows fold completely into the floor, creating a flat cargo space almost instantly. Utility meets ease. Think road trips, big grocery hauls, furniture moves, without wrestling seats out of the vehicle. Under the hood lives a familiar friend, a 3.6L Pentastar V6. It makes 287 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, sent through a smooth 9-speed automatic to the front wheels. Fuel economy is respectable for its size, around 19 mpg in the city and 28 on the highway, with a combined rating near 22 mpg. Safety isn't forgotten. Standard gear includes blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, 7 airbags, electronic stability control, a rear backup camera, and brake assist. Want peace of mind without the premium? Here it is. Pricing starts at $39,995 MSRP, with a destination fee bringing your total to about $41,990. Paint upgrades like Silver Mist are modestly priced, and Mopar offers protection packages, cargo liners, splash guards, and paint protection, so you can personalize your ride without overspending. Think about it. A single trim minivan that combines heated seats, power sliders, stowable seating, advanced infotainment, and robust safety, all at the price some SUVs start at. Even when fully accessorized, your tab stays under $45,000. In a shrinking market for budget-friendly minivans, the Voyager stands tall as a no-nonsense, family-first machine. It's not about dazzling looks or flashy luxury, it's about reliability, versatility, and honest value. For families, road trippers, or anyone craving cargo capacity without breaking the bank, this might be the sleeper pickup of the year. So the 2026 Chrysler Voyager isn't just back, it's relevant. Practical, comfortable, tech-savvy, and safe, all starting under $40,000. If you're searching for a no-frills people and cargo mover that actually delivers, don't overlook it. Thanks for tuning into Dream Cars. Let me know in the comments, would you choose practicality over prestige? Hit like and subscribe for more deep dives into your future dream rides.